Hello everyone, I bought this Nerf and Xshot shotgun 2 rounds rifle from Vinted. Very cheap. They were listed as working, well used, but I'm not sure if they are working or they are faulty. I'm gonna test them, each one of them, with the bullets they came with, and at the end of the video I'm gonna tell you the price for all of them. It's quite a bargain, so keep watching and see what's happening. First strong arm ready to go. Works pretty nice. Second one. Not too much power in this one. Now the mega one. It only has only 3 bullets. Now I'm gonna test the Xshot shotgun. Very nice. This one, the Xshot shots very nice. The other two, few of the bullets, not very accurate, but seems to work fine. And the Nerf Mega works very well. I only had 3 bullets, but out of the package working very good. So for all of this I paid only £8. So for only £8 it's quite a good bargain. I think I need to push more the bullets and it's gonna work very well. Yeah, very good pump, very good spring. Second one. They work really well. I'm quite happy. The Nerf Mega Cyclone Shock. Very nice, very sturdy. This one sounds like a bad boy. Very nice. And of course the bonus, the Xshot. It's not a Nerf brand, but works really nice. Just press here, it opens, and load it. 2 bullets. Load it. Shit. Load it. Should take shot. Works perfect. Very nice. Good bundle of bullets. Thank you for watching. Bye.